Alright guys, I'm back to another video. Sorry I haven't given you guys no content at all, like for the past month. It's because, you know, my car broke down on me, my poor SI. We were doing the timing chain, water pump, thermostat, and a whole bunch of little mods to my car. I did the wheel bearings too, but I think something's going on with the hub or something that I might fix on Friday. So let's see how this go. But for right now, motor wise, he's perfect. He's healthy. But you know, back with another SI POV. Ooh. Also, I might put some videos and pictures of my car in the mechanic, so you guys know I'm not, you know. Also changed the rims. For some reason I didn't like those other rims, but it was looking nice with the other rims, but I didn't like them. Now I got some Conic. You know, they look way better than the other ones, but you know, the car looks a little bit better. Also, over the winter I broke my bumper and I had to buy a new bumper, but I painted the bumper, but then it came out the same color as the car. And it came out like a little darker, something like that. So hopefully there's no traffic here, so you know. I wonder what is the difference between G37X and an S. Coffee in the morning. You know, good morning if you're watching this video in the morning. Good afternoon if you are watching this in the afternoon, or good night if you watch it on the night. But I'm here drinking my coffee. of traffic today. Also, I'm gonna retint my car soon, so they might see my car a little darker. So guys, to hear the POV. I hope. Ooh, nice 30RX. I always wanted to fucking buy me a 30RX, but you know, God knows, probably in the future I do buy one. They are nice. They look nice. But to hear the POV, I hope you enjoy the POV, like the POV, subscribe to my channel, and buy an SI. This is a fun car to drive. Just buy one that's not beat up, because I did a mistake when I bought mine. I hope you guys enjoy it. Peace.